Today we would like to proudly introduce a super awesome product to you, LentoEV. This car has unique operating essentials that can bring you the ultimate driving experience. It not only has a stylish exterior design, but also incorporates advanced technology to make your traveling more convenient and fun. LentoEV, the battery voltage specification can be selected from 48V, 60V, 72V, and the charging voltage is 110V to 20V, 35 kW, for 0 kW, 0 kW, 7, 5 kW of motor power are available. The battery can be equipped with lead-acid or lithium batteries, with a range of 80–150 km and a maximum speed of 35 km/h adjustable. The body material is injection molded with a welded steel chassis. The entertainment system is equipped with MP5 player and reversing camera. The brakes are hydraulic front discs and rear drums, and take only 6–8 hours to recharge. Suspension is McPherson independent and steel plate test damped. Tire type is 2310.512 available with 2310/14. Steering system is self-adjusting rack and pinion steering. The lighting system includes combination headlights, combination rear tail lights, brake lights, front and rear turn signals, and high-mounted brake lights. The instrument panel is a combination instrument displays signals for front and rear lights, horn, remaining battery, current speed, etc. The driving mode is rear-wheel drive, and the color can be customized with any color. Come and feel the charm of blue with LentoEV.